The boy answered, I don't know how to fold the paper to make paper boats. Meena said, That's easy. I will help you. She showed him how to make the boats. Meena took out colored paper of different sizes. She showed the boy how to fold and refold the paper to make a boat. The boy watched carefully. Then he took a piece of paper and started to make a paper boat. Soon a few boats were ready. Meena gently put her boats in the stream. The boy put his boats in the stream too. The boats sailed down the stream. Both enjoyed watching the boats.